This video shows an opaque cream jar that is suitable for face creams and eye creams that need to be protected from light. We can use different techniques for glass cream jars. Such as spraying wood grain to make the texture more outstanding. It can be customized according to the needs of customers and the style of the brand. As a cream jar manufacturer, we have many years of experience and can provide you with a complete set of services including design, shipping, customs clearance, and so on.